Optimized electrode tools. In the new version, electrode can be created by shape or assembly mode. Users can preset some factors for electrode, such as round rule or drawing format, and the electrode drawing layout is more reasonable. Let's create the electrode bank for this electrode. In the electrode blank configuration, users can decide to use assembly mode or not, change the round rule as required, and set more electrode information like tolerance, color, and so on. Then the system will apply a suitable size for the blank and stock size according to these settings. At the same time, users can assign the electrode to any layers. The layout of properties is clearer. This is the created electrode. Mirror and pattern electrode are also allowed in the new version. Next, create the electrode drawing. In the electrode drawing configuration, view locations and EDM style can be predefined. Mold number option is available. Two types of dimension styles for the selection, ordinate or linear. And now, EDM and table template are open for users. The electrode layout looks more concise and comfortable. It clearly shows electrodes' positions and sizes. One sheet for same electrodes in different positions. And it lists the total numbers of electrodes in the workpiece sheet. These optimized electrode tools make electrode design and drawing more applicable.